Well, welcome to another Dunedin Public Art Gallery home learning workshop. I'm John, and tonight we're off to the movies. It'd be great to get your family together and have a movie night, all gathered around the screen. And one thing you need for a movie is popcorn. So today we're going to make some popcorn cones. And this is the start of my popcorn cone. Now I've made a design which is slightly curved because the cone is going to be going round. I'm just using some photocopy paper, probably got that at home, a vivid, some pencils and sellotape. Maybe a stick of glue, that's all you need. So my design started off like this, and I used the lid of a pot to get that curve on there. Now one thing with my cones is that I wanted to make them all the same. They have the same design on them, just like at the movies. And I'm going to show you a trick of how you can do that. Photocopy paper is really thin. You can see right through it. Now, there's a device at home that you can use to copy these. It's called a window. You sellotape this to the window, you put this over top, and then the light will come through and you'll be able to copy it. You can copy lots of pictures that way. So when you've made a few copies, as many cones as you need, colour them in with pencil. Just a tip on colouring with pencils, tables can be a bit rough, but if you get some newspaper, you can make a nice soft pad and you'll be able to colour in, and it's very smooth with the pencils instead of a rough, hard table. So use a newspaper pad, and when you've got your cones finished, you just fold them over like this to make a cone. Here comes my cone. Whoops. There we go. And here's another one. Exactly the same, because I used the window to make a copy. Well, when everybody's got their popcorn cones full of popcorn, you can start the movie and have a great night together. We'll catch you next time.